This foot peeling mask made my skin on my feet so soft, and I know feet aren't really supposed to smell good either, but this smells really good. The scent is not too strong, but it did last even after I washed it off, so I really want to thank the company for gifting me these to check out and review. Now they are really easy to use. You just peel open the individual use pack and then fold the mask, and then you'll kind of see where it looks like 2 feet attached. You'll fold in half and there is a fold line, and you just carefully pull or tear apart at the fold line to make 2 individual pieces for your 2 feet, and then you kind of pull them apart to open them up. Now I wasn't strong enough, so I had to cut the very top of mine off to get them open, but once open you can see the solution inside. It kind of looks like a jelly substance, and you just slip them on your feet. That's it. Now they do come with a tape tab to tape them down where they'll stay put, but I did just wrap mine around my feet and they stayed completely put. And then you just sit for 20 or 30 minutes and let them do their job. Now I did try to walk around the house with mine and it was very slippery, so you definitely do need to be sitting still while you let it sit. But once done, you just wash it off with water. Now I know it takes like 2 days for them to peel the skin away on your feet, but these instantly made my feet feel super soft. I highly recommend.